Exploring the unstoppable rise of AI, a look inside the world of artificial intelligence. The world of artificial intelligence, AI, is growing at an unprecedented pace. From the early days of AI development to the current state of AI technology, the advancement of AI and its applications have been nothing short of revolutionary. In this video, we will explore the history, technology, and applications of AI, and examine the ethical implications of its development and use. We will also look at real-world examples of AI in action, and take a peek into the exciting future of AI. Introduction: What is AI? AI, or artificial intelligence, is the field of technology that seeks to create intelligent machines that can think, act, and learn like humans. AI is a broad concept that encompasses a variety of technologies, techniques, and algorithms used to create computer systems that can think and make decisions in a similar way to humans. AI is a rapidly evolving field and is used in a wide range of industries, from banking and finance to healthcare and transportation. At its core, AI is about developing algorithms and systems that can learn from data, recognize patterns, and make decisions. AI can be used to automate processes, identify objects, and even predict the future. AI is transforming the way we work, the way we interact with each other, and the way we view the world. History of AI. The concept of AI has been around since the 1950s, when computer scientist John McCarthy coined the term artificial intelligence. The first AI-based computer programs were created in the early 1950s, and the field has since grown exponentially. In the 1960s and 70s, AI research focused on developing programs that could think and solve problems. In the 1980s, AI research shifted to focus on creating systems that could learn from data, and in the 1990s, research focused on using AI to solve complex problems. Today, AI is used in a variety of industries, from finance and healthcare to transportation and retail. AI has become an integral part of many businesses, allowing them to automate processes and make decisions faster and more accurately. AI is also used in consumer products, such as virtual assistants and smart home devices, and in robotics, where AI is used to control robots and automate tasks. AI technology and how it works. The technology behind AI is complex, but the basics are relatively simple. AI systems are built on algorithms, which are sets of instructions used to process data and reach a conclusion. These algorithms are trained on large datasets, which allow the AI system to learn from the data and recognize patterns. AI systems are also able to self-learn, meaning they can improve over time by recognizing new patterns and adjusting the algorithms accordingly. AI systems can be classified into three main categories: supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. Supervised learning involves training a model on labeled data, which means the data is labeled with the correct answer. Unsupervised learning involves training a model on unlabeled data, which means the AI system has to learn to recognize patterns without being given any guidance. Reinforcement learning involves training a model to make decisions based on rewards, such as a game of chess. AI definition and AI meaning. When it comes to AI, there are many definitions floating around, but the most widely accepted definition of AI is that it is a technology that enables machines to learn from data and make decisions in a similar way to humans. AI is a broad concept that encompasses a variety of technologies, techniques, and algorithms. AI is not just about creating intelligent machines, but also about making machines that can understand, reason, and act like humans. At its core, AI is about creating algorithms and systems that can learn from data, recognize patterns, and make decisions. AI can be used to automate processes, identify objects, and even predict the future. AI is transforming the way we work, the way we interact with each other, and the way we view the world. AI applications and benefits. AI is used in a variety of industries, from finance and healthcare to transportation and retail. AI has become an integral part of many businesses, allowing them to automate processes and make decisions faster and more accurately. AI is also used in consumer products, such as virtual assistants and smart home devices, and in robotics, where AI is used to control robots and automate tasks. The benefits of AI are numerous. AI can be used to automate tedious and time-consuming tasks, freeing up resources to focus on more important activities. AI can also help businesses make better decisions faster, with fewer errors. AI can also help identify patterns, trends, and insights in data, which can be used to make better decisions. Finally, AI can be used to create predictive models that can help anticipate future events and outcomes. AI and machine learning. AI and machine learning, ML, are closely related, but they are not the same thing. AI is the broader concept, while ML is a subset of AI that focuses on training machines to learn from data and make decisions without being explicitly programmed. ML algorithms are trained on large datasets, which allow the machine to recognize patterns and make decisions. ML algorithms can be used to identify objects, automate processes, and even predict the future. ML algorithms are essential for the development of AI systems. Without ML algorithms, AI systems would not be able to learn from data and make decisions. ML algorithms can be used to create a variety of AI systems, from virtual assistants to autonomous vehicles. AI and robotics. AI and robotics are closely related, as AI technology is often used in robotics. Robotics is the field of engineering that deals with the design and development of robots, which are machines that can be programmed to perform a variety of tasks. AI technology is used in robotics to control robots and automate tasks. For example, AI can be used to control robots in manufacturing, or to automate tasks in healthcare. AI and robotics can also be used together to create autonomous systems, such as self-driving cars or drones. Autonomous systems use AI technology to sense their environment and make decisions without human intervention. Autonomous systems are becoming increasingly common and are being used in a variety of industries, from transportation to healthcare. Challenges and limitations of AI. Despite its many advantages, AI is not without its challenges and limitations. AI systems are only as good as the data used to train them, so if the data is inaccurate or biased, it can lead to inaccurate or biased decisions. AI systems are also limited by the algorithms used to create them, so if the algorithms are not optimized, the system will not be able to make accurate decisions. Another challenge with AI is that it can be difficult to explain how an AI system reached a certain decision. This is known as the black box problem, and it can be difficult to explain why an AI system made a certain decision. Finally, AI is still in its early stages, so it is difficult to predict how it will evolve in the future. The ethical implications of AI. The development and use of AI raises a number of ethical issues. One of the most important ethical issues is the potential for AI to be used to discriminate against certain groups of people. AI systems are trained on data, and if the data is biased, the AI system may make biased decisions. Another ethical issue is the potential for AI to be used for malicious purposes, such as surveillance or manipulating public opinion. Finally, there is the issue of privacy and data security. As AI systems are increasingly used in a variety of industries, it is important to ensure that the data being collected and used is secure and not being misused. AI and its impact on society. The development and use of AI is having a profound effect on society. AI is changing the way we work, the way we interact with each other, and the way we view the world. AI is being used in a variety of industries, from finance and healthcare to transportation and retail. AI is also being used in consumer products, such as virtual assistants and smart home devices, and in robotics, where AI is used to control robots and automate tasks. AI is also having a major impact on the job market. AI is being used to automate processes, which is reducing the need for human labor. This could have significant economic consequences, as many jobs are at risk of being automated. On the other hand, AI is also creating new jobs, such as AI engineers and data scientists. Real-world examples of AI in action. AI is being used in a variety of industries, from finance and healthcare to transportation and retail. For example, AI is being used in healthcare to diagnose diseases and prescribe treatments. AI is also being used in the banking industry to detect fraud, and in the transportation industry to automate driverless cars. AI is also being used in retail, to recommend products to customers and optimize supply chains. AI is also being used in consumer products, such as virtual assistants and smart home devices. AI is being used to power virtual assistants, such as Amazon's Alexa and Apple's Siri, to help users with tasks such as setting reminders and playing music. AI is also being used in smart home devices, such as thermostats and security cameras, to automate tasks and detect potential issues. The future of AI. The future of AI is bright. AI technology is rapidly evolving, and its applications are becoming increasingly diverse. In the near future, AI will continue to be used in a variety of industries, from finance and healthcare to transportation and retail. AI will also be used in consumer products, such as virtual assistants and smart home devices, and in robotics, where AI will be used to control robots and automate tasks. In the long term, AI will become increasingly sophisticated, and its applications will become more widespread. AI will become an integral part of our lives, from the way we work to the way we interact with each other. AI will also continue to be used to automate tasks and make decisions, allowing us to focus on more important activities. Conclusion. AI is transforming the way we work, the way we interact with each other, and the way we view the world. AI is being used in a variety of industries, from finance and healthcare to transportation and retail. AI is also being used in consumer products, such as virtual assistants and smart home devices, and in robotics, where AI is used to control robots and automate tasks. AI has the potential to revolutionize the world, but it also raises a number of ethical issues. It is important to ensure that AI systems are trained on accurate and unbiased data, and that the data is secure and not being misused. As AI technology continues to evolve, it will be important to consider the ethical implications of its development and use. Now that you've explored the world of artificial intelligence, the next step is to start learning more about the technology and how it works. There are a variety of resources available to learn more about AI, from online courses to books and articles. With a better understanding of AI technology, you can start building your own AI systems and exploring the future of AI.